Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a blog website on Wix. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all this step properly, and let's begin. Wix is a user-friendly interface and intuitive drag and drop editors which allow users to effortlessly design and customize their website. With a vast collection of professionally designed templates and themes, users can choose a starting point that best reflects their style and vision. From there, they can easily customize the layout, colors, fonts, and other design elements to create a unique and professionalized website. Wix offers a marketplace with a vast library of apps and extensions that can enhance the functionality of a website. Users can integrate third-party services such as email marketing, platform booking system, live chat, and analytics tools to further enhance their website's capability. Now, go to Wix website, which is wix.com, and sign up for an account. You can choose to create a new account or sign up using the Google or Facebook credentials. To start creating a website on Wix, you can click on Create New Website button located in the upper right corner. This will guide you through the process of defining the context of your website, such as whether it's a blog or portfolio, online store, or consultant site. And after choosing blog and clicking next, you will be prompted to enter a name for your website. In the following step, you will have options to select additionally features you would like to include, such as chat or forms. Finally, Wix offers the choice to begin with a template or option for a custom build site. Additionally, Wix will prompt you to choose a template, browse through the available options and select a template that suits your blog style and theme. Wix provides a preview of each template, allowing you to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Take your time to browse through the available options and explore different categories to filters option to find templates that resonate with your vision. Keep in mind that the templates are customizable, so you don't need to worry about finding a perfect match right away. Even if you find a template that meets most of your requirements but requires slight modification, you can easily personalize it using Wix editing tools. Additionally, take a note of any specific features or functionality offered the certain template that may be important for your blog. For instance, some templates may include a built-in social media integration feature, post sections, or specialized layouts for different type of content such as videos or image or galleries. These features can enhance the user experience and engagement on your blog. Now, once you have chosen a template for your blog on Wix, you will be taken to the website editor where you can begin customizing various elements to make your blog unique. Here you will see different options like add element, add section, pages and menu, set and design, and add apps and much more. In editor, you can modify the layout of your blog pages by adding or removing sections like headers, footers, or sidebars. The colors and font used throughout your blog can be customized to align with your brand or personal style. On the right side of the Wix editor, you will find a menu labeled Pages and Menu. Clicking on this menu will open up a subsection that allows you to manage and organize different sections of your website. This is where you can add, remove, and edit pages to structure your website's content. For instance, if you are creating a blog, you might have sections like around the world, events, healthy and food, and any other categories that suits your blog's theme. Within each section, you can create individual blog posts or articles. Alternatively, you can also access this menu by clicking on Page Home located at the upper left corner of your blog editor. This will display a drop-down list of your website pages, allowing you to navigate and manage them easily. In the Pages and Menu subsection, you can add new pages to your blog by clicking on Add Page button. Wix offers various page options including standard pages, block pages, store pages, and more. Furthermore, within the Pages and Menu section, you will have the ability to rename, reorder, and delete pages as needed. This helps you maintain a logical and user-friendly navigation structure of your for your readers. You can choose from predefined color palettes or select specific colors, as well as choose from a variety of fonts and customize their style, size, and spacing. Adding images and media is simple with Wix, as you can upload your own images or use the library of free stock photos. You can position these images precisely within your blog's content using the drag and drop functionality. Now, the editor also provides text editing tools for customizing the appearance of your blog text, allowing you to change the font, style, size, color, and alignment. Wix offers various background options including solid colors, gradients, images, or videos to enhance the visual appeal of your blog. Additionally, you can add effects like parallax, scrolling, or animations to create engaging elements. Wix provides a range of widgets and apps that you can easily add to your blog such as social media feeds, contact forms, and commenting systems to enhance its functionality. Now, within the blog settings menu, you will find different sections or tabs that correspond to specific settings. These sections may include options like layout, post display, comments, and more. By reviewing and adjusting these settings, you can personalize an appearance and functionality of your blog page. In the layout section, you can choose the overall layout of your blog page, such as grid, list, or timeline. This determines how your blog post will be displayed on the page. The post display section allows you to configure the display of your blog post, whether you want to show full post, enable feature images, and set the number of posts per page. The comment section enables you to set up and customize the commenting system of your blog post. You can select different comment platforms, or you can use Wix native commenting system. Additionally, you can moderate comments and adjust comment display preferences. Within the Wix editor, there's an option called Manage Media that allows you to handle the media content on your blog post, on your blog page. This feature provides you with two choices: selecting media from the given option or uploading media of your choice. When you select the given media option, Wix offers a library of free stock photos and images that you can use for your blog. You can browse through the collection and choose the media that best fits your blog style and content. On the other hand, if you prefer to use your own media or specific images or videos that you want to showcase on your blog, you can upload them directly through the Manage Media option by clicking on the Upload button. You can select files from your computer and add them to your media library. Now, whether you choose from the provided media options or uploaded your own, it allows you to incorporate relevant and eye-catching visuals that complement your blog post and captivate your audience. The sharing and social media section provides options for integrating social media sharing buttons and customizing how your blog posts are shared. In the SEO settings section, you can optimize your blog page for search engines by adding meta tags, description, and customized URLs. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can improve your blog's ranking in the search engine results and attract more organic traffic. These features in Wix provide valuable tools for promoting your blog and maximizing its online presence. Take your time to review and adjust these settings accordingly to your specific needs and preferences, and then save the changes you have made. Once you have completed creating your blog post, customize the settings, and make any necessary design adjustments, it's time to publish your blog and make it accessible to public. Now, to do it, in the Wix, you can simply click on Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. When you click on Publish button, Wix will guide you through the final step to make your blog live on the internet. This process may involve a few additional prompts or dialog boxes to confirm your publishing action and provide your necessary information. Wix will ensure that your blog is properly prepared and optimized for publication. During the publishing purposes, Wix will take care of technical aspects such as hosting your blog on the internet and assigning it a unique domain name or subdomain. If you haven't already selected a domain or subdomain, Wix may prompt you to choose one or offer suggestions to help you find a suitable web address for your blog. Once your blog is published, it will be accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Visitor can simply type in your blog domain or subdomain in the web browser to access your blog and read your post. Now, it's important to note that after publishing your blog, you'll still make updates and changes to your content, settings, and design whenever you want. Wix provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to edit and manage your blog even after it's been published. This flexibility enables you to continuously refine and improve your blog as you gather feedback and identify areas for enhancement. It allows you to create a hierarchical structure and categorize your posts, making it more convenient for users to explore the topics that interest them. And that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can create a blog website on Wix. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.